Spending time in nature reduces cortisol levels and improves mood. Listening to calming music lowers heart rate and anxiety levels. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and mind. Practicing mindfulness for just 10 minutes a day can reduce anxiety and increase mental clarity. Focusing on the present moment, mindfulness, is proven to quiet racing thoughts. Positive affirmations can shift your mindset and reduce negative self-talk. Practicing gratitude daily boosts serotonin and helps create a peaceful mindset. Laughter therapy increases endorphins and reduces stress hormones. Decluttering your space can mentally declutter your mind. Meditation is scientifically proven to rewire the brain and lower stress. Doing puzzles or coloring engages the brain and diverts attention from stressors. Saying no more often reduces mental overload and burnout. Using a weighted blanket can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Eating magnesium-rich foods helps control anxiety and stress. Sleep hygiene is essential. Sleep restores cognitive balance and mood. Breath-focused meditation can calm the amygdala, the brain's stress center. Slow blinking, like mindful eye closing, helps the brain relax subconsciously. Practicing self-compassion increases emotional resilience and inner calm. Avoiding multitasking improves mental clarity and lowers anxiety. Forgiveness reduces emotional burden and creates inner peace. Daily routines offer structure and reduce mental chaos. A warm bath can lower blood pressure and promote calmness. Stretching and yoga help release stored tension from the body. Controlled exposure to sunlight increases vitamin D and improves mood. Digital detox even for 30 minutes can improve mental focus and emotional calm. Progressive muscle relaxation helps release tension and lower stress. Journaling your thoughts can help declutter your mind and reduce overthinking. Visualization techniques, like imagining peaceful scenes, can reduce stress and improve emotional control. Walking at a steady pace helps regulate emotions and reduce mental fatigue. Art therapy and creative activities help express emotions and relax the mind. Talking to a friend boosts oxytocin and relieves stress.